welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Holly, and today I'm sharing with you a fun idea for a Grinch movie night. So this is where I'm going to share some recipes to incorporate into that and some decorations and things. But you can do this however you would want, and Pinterest has a lot of great ideas, so you can find things on there. And that's where I got these ideas from, so I'm going to leave the links down below for the recipes that I share in this. So I'm going to show you really quick how easy this is to put together, and like I said, have some fun making some movie night treats and spend some time with your family. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you everything that I made for this. And the first Grinch treat that I'm going to show you how to make is a Grinch crinkled cookie. So for this, very simple and easy to make, you just need a box of cake mix. It's called for the vanilla flavored one, so that's what I got. You will not use the ingredients on the back. You will just need 2 eggs at room temperature, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and some green food coloring, and a 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using canola oil, and it is 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I had just about a 1/4 of a cup, so hopefully that will work. And just some red heart sprinkles. And if you don't have that, you can always use like Red Hots or something like that if you want. So, or a red candy. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to put together. So to a bowl, you will just add the cake mix. And as I said, do not add any of the ingredients on the box, just add that oil. Then add 2 eggs and the vanilla extract. Then just mix everything up with a spoon until everything is thoroughly combined. Then add your green food coloring and just add however much you want to get the color that you would desire for this. And it is a sticky, thick batter, cookie batter, so it does take just a little bit of time just to kind of mix it in. But once I get to the color that I want, then, and you can see how it's kind of, sticky, but the consistency of it. You put this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, and that's going to set up a little bit so that way we can make the cookies. So once you get to the color that you want, 20 minutes in the fridge, and then we'll take it out and I'll show you what else to do. While I wait for the batter to set up a little bit, I just add the cornstarch to the powdered sugar and then just thoroughly mix this in. You want to make sure it's all combined. Line a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and then once that dough is set up, just take a cookie scoop or just take a spoon. You want to make just about a round ball, about a 1 inch, and you should lightly coat it. I kind of had a little coated a little bit more than probably it needed to be. And then I'm just going to put those onto the parchment paper. So just continue to do that for all the rest. Then take the bottom of a glass, and then you will just press down lightly on the cookies. And I think I had a pretty heavy hand on these, so I may have flattened them out just a little more than maybe they needed to be. So just do it lightly, it says, and just to get them to where they're, more rounded cookie. So maybe not as flat as I pressed on these. But you would just continue to do that until you do that to all of the cookies. Next, put the little heart sprinkles or heart candies onto the cookies and just lightly press it in, and bake on 350 between 8 and 10 minutes, and do not overbake. And once I have everything set up, I will show you what the cookies look like. But you will also need 2 bags of just microwavable popcorn and some green food coloring, and a package of, which has 12 blocks of the almond bark, white almond bark. Then some heart candies or sprinkles, anything like that. So the first thing you will do is pop the popcorn. You want to have that done first. And then the next step will be to melt the chocolate. So melt all 12 squares in the microwave and then add the green food coloring to it to get your desired green color that you would like. And once you do that, then you will just mix it until everything is thoroughly combined. You want to make sure all of that green food coloring is mixed in. Once I have the chocolate mixed up, then I pour that over the popcorn, and you're going to just thoroughly mix it in. You want to make sure that all the popcorn does get coated with the green chocolate. Then I lined a cookie sheet with some parchment paper and poured out the popcorn, so that way it would allow the chocolate to set up. So just spread it out onto the cookie sheet the best that you can, and then before the chocolate starts to set up, then you will add the little candy hearts or sprinkles or anything like that that you want to add to it. And once I'm done with this, I will just put it in a big bowl, and I'll put that on the table, and you'll see that at the end of the video. And that's all I do for that. And then this next Grinch treat is a drink. So I get the Hawaiian Punch Green Berry Rush, and I use 7-Up for this, but you can use Sprite if you want. Also, you need some glasses, some lime sherbet, and Caro syrup. You only need about a tablespoon of that, and some red sanding sugar. And really quick and easy to put this one together. So all I do is put about a tablespoon or so of the Caro syrup, the corn syrup, in a shallow bowl. Then I just dip the rim of the glass into that, and then do the same with the sanding sugar. And then I just finish the other glasses that I have and just repeat the process. Then carefully put 1 scoop of lime sherbet into the glass. And you will do that for all the ones that you have. Then put 1 cup of the Hawaiian Punch and a 1/2 cup of the 7-Up or Sprite, whichever one you want to use. And basically that is it. So just continue to do that for the rest. And it only took me 1 can of the 7-Up to do 4 glasses. So, you know, that works out. You can make a bigger batch of this if you want as well. And I'll leave the recipe down below. And this is what it looks like all set up, and I'm going to show you that little area later. That's more of just decoration, but for this I have all the little things I made. So I just used a green and red tablecloth. Those red and white picks I got from Walmart. I just felt like it reminded me of the Whoville. I was trying to find something whimsical. The little vase was from Dollar Tree. And the green popcorn, and I just put that in a bowl so, you know, everybody can just, you know, take some from it. And also the Grinch plates, the Grinch cups, and the napkins all came from Amazon as well. This is in case you want to do just regular popcorn and not do the green popcorn. You can still make it fun. Just put them in a green bag with little heart stickers and just throw some like red and green M&Ms in this just to make it fun for the kids. So you could just do regular popcorn if you want. And I just think that would make it, you know, still fun for the kids if you want to do a Grinch night. Also, those little marshmallow trees, the Peeps, came from Dollar Tree. And then this little saying, the Grinch had a plan, that was kind of mean. He licked all the candy canes and turned them all green. So just, put some green candy canes in a little cup or something like that. Just make it fun for the kids. And this is the green Grinch Punch. And this was really good. So, something very simple and easy to do, but, just fun. And I think kids would enjoy that. And if you don't want to do all of that, you can just serve the green punch as well. So you can do that. And this little ornament from Walmart, it just reminded me of when the Grinch takes, all the packages and stuff and goes to, take everything away. So that's just what that reminded me of. So I have that there for that. I had these little stockings for a while, and I'm just using it as decoration. So it just reminds me of the Grinch, the green and everything. And my daughter made these mugs, and I thought they were really cute to put into this video. So you can just put some candy in in some cute little mugs. So those happen to be, for the Grinch. But I put the Grinch Hershey's Kisses in one mug, and then just some Andes mints and things in the other. And then I just had these little ornaments, and I just put some pipe cleaner, kind of just made it a little whimsical, and just to make it fun for decoration. And these were the Grinch cookies, and like I said, I think I flattened them a little too much. They didn't crinkle as much as I thought they would, so just don't press down too hard on them when you go to bake them, to make them. And then some more of the stockings. As I said, you can fill those up with things. You can just use regular stockings, little mini ones to do that, and put some candy or little trinkets or something in it. Make it fun for the kids if you want, but I'm just using it as a decoration. And for this little area, I have this little backdrop that I got off of Amazon. The tree is from Dollar Tree in the $5 spot. So I just bent it to make it look like the tree, from the cartoon. The little Santa's bag with the packages that he, stole from all of the Whoville residents. And the red ornament, which to me represents the little ornament that fell off the tree when he was, stealing everything. And Cindy Lou, it woke Cindy Lou up, and then she asked him a lot of questions about why he was doing what he was doing, because she thought it was Santa Claus. And his heart, this is a little figure that came from Walmart that lights up, and, his heart grows, and he changes his mind about all of that. So this says, it came without ribbons, it came without tags, it came without packages, boxes, or bags. And then this little one says, maybe Christmas doesn't come from a store, maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. And it does. So those were just little printouts that I printed out and put those there for that, just to have a little backdrop. So you don't have to go to that extent. You can do, different things if you want. You don't even have to do that. And also that tablecloth came from Amazon as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that this video gave you some ideas on a fun movie night that you can share with your children. I think that they would enjoy anything that has a little bit of a theme to it. It doesn't have to be this elaborate or anything. Just like I said, some popcorn in a little green bag with some red and green candies for the Grinch, stuff like that. Doesn't have to be expensive. It can be just very simple. And it doesn't have to be a holiday movie. It could be any movie or their favorite cartoon that they like to watch, just to make it fun for them and to make some memories with your family. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone has a blessed day and a blessed Christmas. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.